Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Moulovi, Dr.Sheikh Abdul Hannan speaking. My today's lecture has been entitled Holy Quran is 100% divine messages from Allah, the creator of the universe. Today's Episode 5, the last and immediate episode, I are discussing at last about some mysterious words that was mentioned in the Holy Quran, like almost about 29 chapters. There are some mysterious alphabets we see in the beginning, like Alif, Lam, Mim. Alif, Lam, Mim, Sod. Alif, Lam, Ra. Like this. In 29 almost chapters, we see like this separate alphabets that has no meaning at all. The followers of the Prophet Muhammad asked, as well as the non-believers. Prophet said, I don't know the meaning. Who knows? Only the Creator of the universe, who has revealed the Holy Quran, he only knows. So it proves that Holy Quran was totally made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because if Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew, then at that very time he tried to express or disclose his power and intelligence, but he did not, because the Holy Quran was made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Later on, I want to say that about some battles that has occurred in the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Almost 80 battles